7 things that everybody ought to know about tofu. First is that it's an ancient food over 2,000 years old. It's thought to have originated in China and brought to Japan during the Nara period over 1,300 years ago. Number 2, in order to eat tofu, it does not need to be cooked. That means it's ready to be eaten as is. In order to make tofu, you only need a few ingredients: soybeans, water, and a coagulant, also known as nigari in Japanese. Usually this is a salt such as magnesium chloride or sulfate. Tofu provides all of the essential acids that your body needs, making it a complete protein. In addition, it contains vitamins B, E, and K, and it's a good source of soluble and insoluble fibers, which are going to help you go unchi and may decrease cholesterol. And on top of that, it has a very low glycemic index, so that means it's not going to spike your blood sugar, which may make you feel nimue or sleepy. Water in the tofu package does not contain any nutrients and should be thrown away. Surprise! The only reason that water is used in tofu packaging is to prevent the tofu box from breaking apart, so it's sort of like a little cushion. The more firm tofu is, the more nutrient dense it is. That's because everything gets squished together the more firm the tofu. Now you know 7 things about tofu that most people don't know. Make sure to check out the link in the description for 5 mistakes to avoid when trying to drain it. For cooking, of course. Tofu!